Okay guys, we're doing something a little bit different today. Today we are going to do a pattern review. Now this is another Hooked on Sunshine pattern and it is beautiful. This is done in this cotton classic, I can't even pronounce it, merchandised. I don't know, if someone can pronounce it, leave me a comment below. But this is by Stacey Charles. I bought the last of these at my yarn shop and they came in two colours. The blue was really nice, but this yellow, to die for. So I used this to make Briar Rose. Now, if you haven't seen Hooked on Sunshine's patterns before, they are really easy to follow, which is why I thought this would be a good point to stop and show you guys how it works. Now, it is made up of really simple stitches. Most of these stitches you can find tutorials for, and I will be posting tutorials for them over the next couple of weeks. So it's made up of treble crochets or double, depending on which terms you're using, single back loop crochets, which are these ones here, and then we've got a combination of different stitches in between. So we've got the V stitch in here, which is beautiful, and then cluster double crochets or clustered treble crochets. This is a great blanket if you're looking to start a pattern pull you out a little bit, to start a pattern for as a present, or if you're just looking to start to expand your skills. This is very beginner friendly. The pattern is written out very nicely and is easy to understand. There's also a lot of help you can get online for them. So overall, this pattern I probably rate it maybe an 8 out of 10. You know what, we'll give it a 9. We'll give it a 9 out of 10. It is beautiful. Now this is done on a 4mm hook, wherever my 4mm hook went, which is pretty much your standard. And as you can see, all of the stitches are really nice and neat and close together. So leave me a comment down below if you're thinking about giving this one a try. Otherwise, I will see you in the next one.